everyone, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. So let's go ahead and get started on some really fun Dollar Tree and Dollar Store Halloween DIYs. So thank you for joining me today. We're going to do 3 DIYs in this video using all items either from the Dollar Tree or from Dollarama. So let's go ahead and get started. So to get started, we're going to do a really simple one for starters. We'll save the bigger ones for later on in this video. And the very first one is super simple. We're just going to go ahead and use this really pretty fall decor that I got from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love these little pumpkins on this. It's just really one stick with a bunch of leaves and pumpkins. And we're going to start off and make a cute little floral design using these really cute bottles from the Dollar Tree. So you can get these bottles in different colors. I went ahead with the orange. I love the twine that's wrapped around here with this skull jewel hanging right from it. It comes like this. So super cute, and we're just going to make a fun table floral decor. So let's go ahead and get started. This first one is super easy. Also, really quickly, I'm going to use these leftover leaves that I got from the Dollar Tree last year. They do sell them again this year as part of their floral. It's just a bag of a bunch of leaves that you can get, and I'm going to use these as well. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Guys, so DIY number 2. So this DIY is going to be with items that I got from Dollarama, which is the dollar store here in Canada. But don't worry, the third DIY is going to be with items from mostly Dollar Tree. So moving along to this DIY, I picked up this Halloween giant spider web for $1.25 at Dollarama. You can of course get this at the Dollar Tree. And then I picked up some Halloween lights. These ones look to be orange. It's 20 LED micro dot lights. They were $2 from Dollarama. Same as Dollar Tree, they do sell different types of Halloween lights as well. But this is the main feature, which is from the Dollarama, and it's this cute little bird cage, which cost me $4, and it comes with this skeleton bird on the inside. I'm just gonna open it up here to show you. So it comes with this skeleton bird, super cool. Its mouth opens. And yeah, that's gonna be pretty much the star of this DIY. And I may grab some sticker jewels for the eyes. I'm not too sure, but you'll see in the video if I decide to do that. All right, guys, let's get started on this second DIY. everybody, so now we're moving on to our third DIY for today, and this is going to be a welcome sign for my front door. So I'm going to be featuring this Beware sign, which is from the Dollar Tree. They have a few different ones to choose from. And along with this sign, I'm going to be using these skull heads that you would have seen in the previous DIY. So you get 8 in a package. I've already used one, so I have 7 left. And these are from the Dollar Tree as well. And then this sign here is from the Dollar Tree. I'm not going to be using the pumpkins. I am going to use this welcome part. And that's from the Dollar Tree. And then lastly, the only item that's not from the Dollar Tree is this skeleton guy. He is from the Dollarama, which is the dollar store in Canada, but you can improvise with an item from the Dollar Tree. And that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy this final DIY.